Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Realme. First of all, you need to access Google folder by tapping on it and choose Calendar app. Now choose this month above over here and pick a date by clicking on the one that you wish to set up. I will go with that one. Now you can create your event by tapping over here, or choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event option. Either way, now you can customize it however you want to. Like for example, you can add a title over here, pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now click on does not repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every year. Or you can also customize it however you wish to. I will go with every 15 years. Then setup done at the top right corner. Now you can add people, add videos, and even add location. From here you need to choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, change color of your event, and even take notes. You can also add attachments over here. When you're ready, just click on Done at the top right corner, so save in this case, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now do whatever you wish to. I will change my title and discard your changes by clicking on top left corner and selecting discard or save them by choosing save. Then you can click on one of those options. I want to change this and all following events, so I have to tap on this option in the middle and choose save. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then select delete at the top, pick one of those options, I'll go with all events and just delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!